Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty predictions and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Monday. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. Please do like and please give your posts on the comment section so that I can improve my videos. Thank you. Now we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Monday. First, we will see the Bank Nifty predictions. Let me open the Bank Nifty in our trading window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally, 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy, so we will prefer 45 minutes time frame chart, as you people will be knowing that. So, right now, I have opened the Bank Nifty in the trading window. I am getting 3 supports: support 1, support 2, support 3, as well as resistance 1 and resistance 2. So this setup is very much fine for our trades for next week. Now we will going to see the what is happened in this past 2 days. So just I am going to make a box over here. You could see here in this box what was the thing happened. We are going to deeply analyze so that we can have some clear view on the trades. So here look at this first circled area. I am going to make a circle here. Look at this first circled area. We can see lot of selling red candles here. It indicates the clear selling pressure have came into the market. And look at this second circled area. There also we can see still some more selling pressure, selling power candles has formed here in this second circled area. It clearly indicates there is a sellers participated in the market in the first circle, and there is some less sellers participated in the market in the second circled area. We have to notice each and every points very clearly so that we can easily predict the market correctly. So this was the thing was happened in this past 2 days. Let me see clearly. You can see here in the first circled area, which I am going to mark here. We can see selling power candles. I am going to mark this is in the first circle. We can see a very good selling power candles. So that means the Bank Nifty went up to 1500 points upside. After that we can see sellers came into the market. That too some actively they have participated, but till here you can see here whichever I am going to mark here, all those things are selling power candles has formed here in the first circled area as well as in the second circled area. The first candle we could see lot of selling people have came into the market, and the top side we can see one big wick, that is selling pressure came into the market. Normally if you see selling pressure means there are sellers start participating in the market, which clearly indicates a selling pressure candle. That means the wick has formed here in this candle. So you could see here in the first circled area the sellers actively participated. After that we can see some sort of buyers came into the market, then again the sellers starts participating in the market. But look at this second circled area. You could see clearly there is the reduction of sellers visibility. That means in the first circled area there is a lot of sellers came into the market. In the second circled area there is a sellers start reducing their selling side orders. That's why the second circle is not having very big power candles in the selling side. So we have to notice that one. The sellers start reducing their selling quantities. So this was the thing happened for the past 2 days. In this boxed area we can see lot of sellers came into the market, and sellers are reducing their selling candles, I mean selling orders. That we can see in this boxed area. You could see here in this box area, this was the thing is happened in this box area. Sellers power was there at the first circle, and they start reducing the their quantities in the second circle. So afterwards you can see here in the second small box here, which I am going to indicate here, we can see there is a fight between the buyers and the sellers. That means we can see some consolidations. This consolidation indicate there is a fight between the sellers and the buyers. So earlier the sellers were actively participating and the sellers reducing their selling stocks, and we can see the fight between the sellers and the buyers. Then finally the buyers start actively participating in the market by the last candle of today. I mean the last 45 minutes candle or last 13 minutes candle, we can see the buyers slightly entering into the market. So this was the thing happened till today evening. So we can have a line here. So till this line we can see very good sellers came into the market, strong sellers came into the market. That's I'm going to write here. So this is market or in selling side. Then look at this second circled area here. The sellers starts reducing their stocks. That means we can have some selling pressure is there, but sellers power is reduced here. Sellers they reduced their shares or selling orders. Then later on we could see here this area, we can see here in the third circled area, we can see here there is a fight between these sellers and buyers. At the beginning strong sellers, at the second stage slightly sellers, they are reducing their stocks, and the stage buyers, fight between buyers and sellers, and the fourth stage the buyers start accumulating. That means the buyers dominated and they fight and they win in the market, and they start buying their shares. So slightly market turned up. This was the thing has happened till now in this Bank Nifty. Buyers fighting, and you could see here slightly strong buyer came into. See how beautifully the sellers domination was there, and sellers domination was slightly getting weak, and there is a fight, and buyer starts occupying the market. This was the thing happened for the past 2 days. So we have to notice always this is a very good sign. There is a possibilities for the scripts can go in the further upside. So here this is the indications we could see here, but anything may happen in this market. We don't know correctly, anything may happen, but right now I am expecting the market will go in the upside directions. After seeing this analysis, I am expecting the market will move further upside. We need to see Asian market today as well as our SGX market tomorrow in the Monday. Then based on our opening price is very very important. Based on the opening price and based on the supports from world global markets, then we can decide how the market will behave. So right now I am expecting the market will move in the upside directions. Only one thing is, if the market maintain above this support one, so where the support one is not visible, so I am going to just to make it coverage of here. The first green line is the support line. So market will move in the opposite directions based on these candles. We can see most probably the market will again move in the opposite directions here like this, and only the thing is market should maintain this support one. Just we will take it. Yeah, this is the support one. The market should maintain above this support 1 is the condition that we can keep it as our stop loss also. So once the market is above this support line, definitely market will go in the opposite directions only, not in the downside directions. So based on the current scenario, I am expecting the Bank Nifty will move in the opposite directions. So based on tomorrow market, we can check and we can make it our further updates in our WhatsApp group. And I am expecting the upside target is 36,200. That is possible, but if the support one is breaks, means what will happen? We need to have a downside fall. So that side also we can make our targets. If the markets maintain above this support line, we can go for buy call. In case if the market breaks this support line 1, then we can look for the sell side calls, I mean put calls. So for that also we have to be ready. Based on the market movement, we can take up our trades. Till this support line is not getting broken, we can have a buy trade. Once it breaks this support line, then we can have a sell call. Like this, the market will fall and it will hit the target of support 2. That one we can make it as in red color, because that is a put call trade, so we can make it as in red color. See here, if breaks this support line, then we can see here we can have a sell trades. The support line I'm going to mark here. Yeah, this is my support line 1. If this breaks the support line, we can have a sell targets. So downside, how much market will go also we need to define here. Right now I'm going to define that sell side target also. If the support gets breaks, then Bank Nifty will come down and it will hit the target of 35,400 is possible. Only thing is this has to break the support line. So we are having the buying side targets as well as the selling side targets. Based on the movement, we can take up whether call or whether put. So this is my analysis. Let's see on Monday what will happen in the real time market, and we will update in our WhatsApp group. Now we will move on to the Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in our training view window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy. So right now we are having support line 1, support line 2, support line 3. So which we made earlier in yesterday, today itself we was made this support line. The same support line we can keep. Only I have slightly modified the support line 1. And we can have a resistance line over here in the top side. So Nifty reached the all time high. So we don't have any resistance line, inclined resistance line. So we are keeping the horizontal resistance line as the stop loss. See here, this horizontal resistance line I am keeping 16,330 rupees is my horizontal resistance. As we expected today, the Nifty went downside directions only. It's not breaks its supports, then it will fall in the downside direction. That's what we expected today. The same thing was happened in the today market. We made the resistance line. The market not breaks this resistance line, and it's moved in the downside direction. See here clearly I have made yesterday. You can see here the downside directions. Yeah, this one I was made it on yesterday itself. The market is moving towards the downside directions. If it is not breaks this resistance line, it will go downside like that we was expected. The same thing was happened today. So now we will look for today's Monday's market. So what will happen in the Monday? We will just make our views, and for selling side or buying side targets, which is we are going to get, we will make it here. Based on the market movement, we can take up our calls. Here I'm having possible moves. That means the market can go either side. So we can have a possible moves. We cannot predict at the moment where the market will go in selling side or in the buying side. So there is a condition wise we can make it up our trades. So I'm going to mark one horizontal line which I'm going to make it in green black color. This horizontal line is our checkpoint. So the checkpoint level also we will going to mark here. Market is at the closer to the checkpoint level. The checkpoint level is 16,190. So this is very closer checkpoint to the current market. We can keep this checkpoint, and based on this checkpoint we can look for our trades, whether in the buying side or whether in the selling side. If the market here, I'm going to slightly change this checkpoint here. I'm going to modify this checkpoint, slightly kept in the upside directions. So 16,220 is my checkpoint. We can keep this. I think this could be fine, because right now it is very closer to the current market. So we can keep these checkpoints, because Monday there is a possibilities for going in the upside directions without breaking this checkpoint. And if its market moves in the opposite direction, we should be having keep the targets here and the conditions also. If the market moves in the downside directions, breaks these checkpoints and it moves in the downside directions, then we should have some sell side targets also. Based on the market directions, we can take up our trades here tomorrow, for Monday. So I am looking, there is only possible moves. I'm not possible to predict only one side directions, because as of now market is not clear with one side directions. So we can have 50-50 possibilities. Based on the directions, we can take up our the trades. Tomorrow Monday market, we can see the Monday market as well as the world support. Based on that, we can have some clear idea which side the market will move, and based on the movement or directions, we can take up our trades. Here the possible moves are, if the market not breaks this checkpoint, then the market will go in the upside directions. If the market breaks this checkpoint, then there is a possibilities for the market will go in the downside directions. That is the thing is expected in Nifty. So current checkpoint is very important point, that is 16,220 is the very important points. If the market breaks this, if the market not breaks this checkpoint, then we can see this upside movement. But whereas if the market breaks this checkpoint, that means 16,220. If the market breaks this 16,220, we can have a clear downside directions. I'm going to draw this one. So we can have a clear downside directions, and it will hit the support line 1. If the market moves in the upside direction, it will hit the resistance line 1, that is 16,330. If the market moves in the downside directions, it will hit the support line 1. So both sides we will make our targets for the buying side also as well as the selling side also. For the buying side, for the selling side, we can keep this target of 16,150. That means around 80 points Nifty can travel in the downside directions by Monday, whereas in the upside directions, Nifty can travel 16,300 is possible. 330, not 300. We can keep it as 330. 330 is the possible. So based on the checkpoint and directions, we can look for the buy calls or sell calls. Monday we will decide based on the world support and as well as SGX Nifty. We can decide the market will go in the upside or downside. Let's see what will happen in the Monday, and we can take up our trades. This was I am expecting the Nifty trades. So finally we are concluding that our predictions for Bank Nifty, it can possible to go in the upside 36,200, and if breaks 35,750, there may be a targets for 35,400 in the downside. Whereas in the Nifty, the upside possible move is 16,330, The downside possible move is 16,150. So based on the market opening, we can take up buy or sell. If you want to trade with me, you can contact me in this WhatsApp number. So I am giving equity options trading support. So you can also join with me and you can trade with me. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.